Welcome to Crochet in 60 Seconds. I'm going to teach you how to crochet in 60 seconds. Let's jump into it. Alright, here's number one is yarn. Yarn is the most important thing that you're going to be using for crochet. It is basically the essence of how you crochet. Next we have is the crochet hook. The crochet hook is going to be what you are going to use to turn the essence of crochet into a crochet. Okay, make stuff cool stuff like this plushie right here. You can make whatever you want after a little while. It's just going to take you a little bit of practice, and I encourage you to practice. The first thing that you're going to need to know how to make when you're crocheting is a slip knot. It's a kind of knot that you can use, and it starts off every single crochet project you can ever use, you ever want. What you're going to do is you're going to see that we've put it on this crochet hook right here. You're going to take that crochet hook, you're going to wrap the yarn around it and pull it through. Make sure that when you're doing that, you're turning your crochet hook down. Once you've done that a few times, you can go back into one of these these loops right here, stick the crochet hook through, pull the loops through. Once you're pulling loops through, you're going to start making stitches. Whatever stitches you want. You can wrap the yarn around before you go into a stitch, and you can do kind of whatever you want after a little while. There's so much variety and so much that you can do with crochet. The possibilities are endless, and I encourage you to learn this hobby. Anyway, thank you.